I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to cancel a LinkedIn Premium subscription. And as always, if this tutorial helps you out, check out maxdalton.how for more great tutorials. LinkedIn Premium is a great tool if you're a corporate recruiter, someone who does a lot of contract work, someone who is passionate about networking, or you're looking for your next career opportunity. But the price for the service is steep. Thankfully, whether you tried it and don't feel like it's worth it, or you only needed it for a few months to find a new job or make some new connections, LinkedIn Premium is relatively easy to cancel. Now let's walk through the steps to cancel a LinkedIn Premium subscription. Step 1. Click the drop-down arrow beneath your LinkedIn profile icon to open a menu, and then click Premium Features in that menu. The Premium Account and Features screen is displayed. Step 2. Click Manage Subscription on this screen. A Manage Premium Account screen is displayed. Step 3. Click Cancel Subscription. The next screen shows you what benefits you'll lose when you cancel LinkedIn Premium. Step 4. Scroll down this screen and then click Continue to Cancel. A window pops up showing you more of the LinkedIn Premium benefits you'll lose when you cancel your subscription. Step 5. Click Continue to Cancel. The next screen will prompt you for the reason you're canceling. Step 6. Choose your reason for canceling LinkedIn Premium and then click Confirm Cancellation. Another pop-up appears trying to get you to keep LinkedIn Premium at a discounted rate. Step 7. Click Confirm Cancellation. The next screen confirms that your LinkedIn Premium subscription has been canceled and lets you know what date you'll have access to LinkedIn Premium through. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.